Sargurve Sarnam, Sandesham. Hi all. It's been a long time. I was thinking about sharing one Tirumandra every day with you all in English. In Tamil, there are a lot of YouTube videos are available, but in English, I don't know how many YouTube channels are covering this. But Tirumandram is one of the spiritual book written in Tamil by Tirumular, and it is in the 10th position in the Saiva Siddhanta books. And though it is in 10th position, in my opinion, this would be the first one, because it is it is universal. They didn't talk about any particular god in particular, though we call it a Saiva Siddhanta. But inside that, if you really read, they talk about the truth which exists everywhere. What is inside our body, what is inside our mind, what is inside our soul, and the chakras, Kundalini Yogam, Ashtanga Yogam, and breathing techniques, and so many and go. And they also give lot of explanation about the mantras and the truth behind it. And if you really read this whole book, they are trying to convey only one message: the God is one. There is only one God. So that is why it is universal. Particularly now, we are seeing a great tension between countries and religion, caste, and race, all those things. And Tirumular talks about this in detail and clearly proves in 3300 songs there is no such things. There is only one God, and there is only one life. That is, even though we call ourselves as individual by name, we are all part of that big soul. We are a spirit. We are from that big soul. That's what he is trying to prove in 3300 songs. The interesting thing is you learn yoga as part of this whole conversation, and Kundalini Yogam we will cover, and how it is, how I am going to make difference comparing to others when I am going to cover Kundalini Yogam. So I am a Kundalini practitioner, meditation practitioner for almost 28 years now. I got Diksha from my Guru Paranjoti Mahan. He is the founder of Universal Peace Foundation, and who practice Kundalini Yogam almost 40 plus years now. I got all that three things: Mooladhara, Agna, and Sahasraram. Then these three Dikshas I already received 26 years back. I also attended advanced course in Universal Peace Foundation. It's a 5-day intensive course to practice Kundalini Yoga. So I am whatever written in these books, I have experience. So while covering the songs, I can give my experience also. I can give insights for all of you to practice. So that is the good thing, the uniqueness when I share these things. With that, I think we can start. We'll start with the very first thing. In Tamil literatures, the practice is anything you start with God's prayer, right? Praying God. So that is called Sirappu Paayiram. There are 112 songs are there. We will talk one song per day. That is Dinam Oru Tirumandram. Daily one Tirumandra. We will talk about one song per day, and that's the time I have it. This has 3300 songs. That means it will go, when we complete all the songs, it will be 10 years completed by then. Okay, so the very first song is கடவுள், I mean God prayer. It's ஒன்று. Let me read the song first. ஒன்று அவன்தானே, இரண்டு அவன் இன்னருள், நின்றனன் மூன்றினுள், நான்கு உணர்ந்தன், ஐந்து வென்றனன், ஆறு விரிந்தனன், ஏழு உம்பச் சென்றனன், தானிருந்தான் உணர்ந்திட்டே. ஒன்று அவன்தானே, God is only one. இரண்டு அவன் இன்னருள். The second one is his power or his blessings. The rays comes from his hand. That is called two in this universe. And he became the creator, operator and destroyer. The creator Brahma, operator Vishnu and destroyer Ishvara, Maheshwara. So he became all three gods. நான்கு உணர்ந்தனன், and he is the basis for 4 Vedas in Hindu religion. ஐந்து வென்றனன். ஐந்து means 5. 5, he won 5. What that mean is, he won 5 sensory organs like eyes, nose, mouth and ears, and touching, right, this feelings. In particularly when you enter into spiritual world, and all yogis will say that you need to control your 5 sensory organs. So he is the one who won all those things. That's why we say that ஐந்து வென்றனன். ஆறு விரிந்தனன் means the Hindu religion has 6 divisions, which is called Sanmargas. So there are 2 meanings here. Some of them will say that he is spread as 6 margas. On yogic world we say that it's all 6 chakras. He is the one from Mooladhara spread as 6 chakras. ஏழு உம்பர் சென்றனன். The 7th, he also went beyond the 6 chakras and went to 8th chakra. தான் இருந்தான் உணர்ந்து எட்டே. So the 8th chakra is Sagarsaram. So, and that's where he connected with this superpower, connected with this soul and merged together. That is the meaning of Thaan Irundhaan Unarndittu. So if you like this video, please forward to your friends and please provide your comments, and we'll keep improving. And if you have anything to share, please your feedback also welcome. Subscribe my channel and stay tuned for next video tomorrow. Thank you guys.